Everyone keeps asking me, is there finally an AI agent that actually works as a real employee? Kind of like OpenClaw, but without the security issues. One that doesn't break overnight, doesn't need Docker, and doesn't forget everything that you told it 5 minutes ago. So I tested this new super agent over the past couple of days, and it's actually scary good. One platform that does it all. You describe what you want in plain English, no code, no infrastructure. It connects to your Gmail, your Slack, your Google Calendar, your CRM, and hundreds of other apps. Oh, and remember when I said English? You can actually say it in any language that you want. And it doesn't just read everything, it takes action inside them. And here's what makes it genuinely different from anything else that I've tested. It runs in the cloud 24/7, and you can control it inside your WhatsApp. So you can talk to it like a real assistant from anywhere that you want to. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the 4 powerful use cases. I'm going to walk you through a live demo, and you can try the super agent from Base 44 for free right now. The link is down in the description, so make sure that you sign up and automate your workflow with Base 44. Also, our free school community with over 19,000 members is linked in the description. Make sure that you join right now and copy all of my prompts. And now let's get over to the PC so that we can start building. Okay, now before I show you what it can do, let me show you where it lives, because honestly, this is the part that totally sold me. Now I'm inside Base 44, okay? So I just created a new super agent, and in the sidebar, I click continue on WhatsApp, and then it opens up WhatsApp. I then send the activation message, and done. My AI agent is now inside WhatsApp, and as you can see, there's no app to download, there's no new interface that I need to learn. It's just sitting there in my phone like a contact basically. And it's the same thing with Telegram. So every single feature that I'm about to show you, you can trigger all of it from a WhatsApp message. When you're on a bus, when you're at school, at dinner, half asleep at 6 a.m. in the morning, it does not matter one bit. Okay, now let me show you what to actually make it do. I told my super agent, scan my inbox overnight, flag anything that it deems to be urgent, draft replies to the easy ones, and also to send me a WhatsApp summary at 7 a.m. with what it handled and what still needs my attention. Then I basically just wake up, I open up WhatsApp, and there it is. 3 emails flagged as urgent, draft replies already written and waiting for my approval. 5 emails that it handled completely on its own. 2, it deprioritized because they didn't match my business priorities. All of that happened before I touched my phone, before I opened my laptop, before I even had my morning cup of coffee. That's not a chatbot giving me suggestions. That's an agent that actually did all the work for me. And to make it even better, I stacked one more thing on top of it. Every Friday at 5 p.m., it pulls my weekly sales numbers and it posts a full report to Slack. Scheduled, recurring, I don't touch anything. Inbox management and automated reporting, one super agent, and 0 effort on my part. Now, if I'm guessing correctly, you might be wondering, how did it know which emails were urgent and which ones to ignore? How did it know my business priorities? So it's not exactly guessing. Let me show you what's actually happening here under the hood, okay? So inside every super agent, there's what Base 44 calls the brain. And it has a few key pieces that basically makes everything work, okay? So first, there's the knowledge. This is where you teach it who it is and how to behave. Your business, your rules, your voice, your priorities. You can simply just upload documents and it references the SOPs, the product info, the client list, whatever it needs to understand your world and who you are. That's why my inbox agent knew to deprioritize those 2 specific emails. I told it what matters to me. And what did it do? It listened. And then the second thing is its memory. And this is the part where most people actually miss. There are three types, okay? There's shorter memory, that's your recent conversations. Then there's saved facts, which is persistent stuff that it should always know, kind of like your business, your name, your key clients, and your industry. And then there's daily sessions. These are automatic summaries of every conversation organized by date. It literally builds a journal of everything it's done for you, and the longer you use it, the smarter it gets. And then third, it's files. Your super agent has its own file system. It stores documents, datasets, reports, anything it creates or needs while it's working. Now, think of it like giving your super agent a desk with drawers, okay? It can generate a report today, and it will then save it, and it will reference it next week without you feeding it the same context twice. So it's knowledge, memory, and files. That's why it's not exactly a chatbot. It's an actual digital worker with context, history, and storage. Now, let me show you the next thing that I set up. This one I can show you in real time, and it's one of the most useful things that I've built with this. I just connected my super agent to Slack, and I told it, watch my alerts channel. If anything comes in that looks critical, like a server issue, a customer complaint, a payment failure, then just send me an instant WhatsApp message with a summary and suggest an action. Now, don't wait for me to check Slack. Come to me. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. Let me trigger this right now. I'm going into Slack and I'm posting a text message in my alerts channel. And I'm writing, payment processing is down, multiple customers reporting failed transactions since, let's say, 3 p.m. And there we go. Okay, now let's check it over on the phone. Okay, cool. Yeah, there it is. A WhatsApp notification from my super agent, and it says critical alert from your Slack alerts channel. Payment processing is down. Multiple customers affected since 3 p.m. Cool. Suggested action, check your payment provider's status page, notify your support team, and post an update to your customers within the hour. That's pretty insane. And as you can see, that took me about 15 seconds. I posted in Slack. My super agent read it. It understood that it was critical. It summarized it. It suggested a plan, and it sent it to my phone. I didn't open any dashboard. I didn't check any app. It just came to me. And here's the thing. It doesn't just fire on everything. I told it what counts as critical. It ignores the noise. It only alerts me when something actually matters. That's the knowledge and the memory that we just talked about doing its job, and we can see it here. Now, this one sounds simple, but it changed my entire daily routine. So, put simply, I told my super agent, check my Google Calendar every morning. If I have back-to-back meetings with no breaks, then move something and block 30 minutes so I can actually eat some lunch. Then send me the updated plan on WhatsApp. Now, let me check this out, okay? Okay, so I am opening WhatsApp right now, and yep, there it is. It moved my 1 p.m. meeting to 1:30. It blocked 12:30 to 1 for a break. And it sent me a clean summary of exactly what it changed and why before I even opened my laptop. Now, I think that is what makes this such a game changer. And this is what I keep coming back to. It doesn't suggest that I should move a meeting. It moves the meeting for me. There's a massive difference between an AI that gives you advice and an AI that takes action on your behalf. This one clearly takes action. Okay, so now here's where it goes from a cool tool to an actual literal superpower. And I promise you, most people have no idea Base 44 can even do this. Base 44 isn't just an agent platform. It's also a full stack app builder. You can build entire applications just by describing what you want, and your super agent connects directly to that app's database and the backend. Same platform, everything is talking to each other, working together. Now, let me show you live, okay? I'm going into Base 44 right now, and I'm typing in, build me a customer feedback tracker a form where people submit their name, email, a rating from 1 to 5, and a comment. Store everything in a database. Show me a dashboard with the average rating and all submissions. Okay, now I want you to watch this. It's generating the entire app, the front end form, the back end database, the dashboard, the authentication, all of it. And in literally like under a minute. I now have a live app with a public form that anyone can fill out. And now here's where the super agent comes into all of this. I go to my super agent and I tell it, connect to my feedback tracker. Whenever someone submits a rating that's below 3, then what you need to do is send me an instant WhatsApp alert with their name, email, and comment. Then draft a personalized apology email to that customer and save it as a draft for me to review. Every Monday morning, send me a weekly summary with the agent rating and any trends that you notice. Okay, so that's the whole setup, okay? Now, watch this. It's literally busy filling out my feedback form right now as a test. The name, email, a rating of 2, and the comment says the response time was too slow. And I mean, there it is on WhatsApp. The instant alert. It pulled the customer details, it flagged the issue, and already drafted a response email, specifically addressing the complaint about response time. Not a generic template. It read the comment, and it wrote a reply about that specific problem. I mean, just think about what just happened. I built an app and I connected an intelligent agent to it in under 5 minutes. No Zapier, no Make, no webhooks, no glue code. One platform. And while I was building it, I didn't type a single search query. I just asked my super agent out loud using the voice feature. It opened a live browser session right inside the workspace, browsed pages, read content, and gave me the answer in real time. Now here's the thing. You are not limited to one agent. You can build multiple super agents, a sales agent that handles leads, a research agent that monitors your industry, a support agent that watches your feedback app. Each one gets its own brain, its own knowledge base, its own integrations, its own memory. Most people start with, let's say, a few specialized agents while they are experimenting on everything. Then as they get comfortable, they consolidate into one central super agent that kind of runs everything. That's the end game. Now, this isn't one assistant. This is an entire team running 24/7 on Base 44's cloud, no per agent subscription. They all run on your existing plan. That's Base 44 Super Agent, and honestly, I'm kind of blown away by what this platform can do. You've got an AI agent that runs 24/7 in the cloud, connects to all your tools in just one click, remembers everything across conversations, and gets smarter the longer you use it. You can talk to it with your voice. It browses the web for you in real time. And on top of all of that, you can build entire apps and connect your agent directly to the backend, all in just one platform. No stitching tools together, no infrastructure to manage. This is the closest thing that I've seen to having an actual AI employee. And it's just getting started. So if you want every prompt and every template from this video and you want it like ready to copy and to just simply paste, then what you need to do is join our free school community. The link is down in the description below. Hit subscribe. If you want more videos like this, give this video a like and also leave a little comment down below. And I will catch you on the next one.